This show is all about crypto summer, so welcome everyone. Even though many people have said it's sad, I personally find the end of the bull run charming. That's it, everyone. Our hopes for Trump's effects were dashed, but he did have a big effect. We saw a 2% drop, which didn't even happen at the same time the market was going down. It's easy to see why this would work, spread the word about the news. A Bitcoin reserve for the US is thought to be something Trump would do, even though he hasn't taken office yet. What does he look like? What does it mean when he says he can't do anything until January 20th when he wins and takes office? People, it's our time. We are in Bitcoin summer now. I'll play the movie for you since I have it. Since we're almost done, we'll compare it to the last and present rounds. As usual, Solana keeps sending. Do you know about Solana? At the moment, Bitcoin is worth 68.47 USD, which is 1.78% less than Ethereum, and $3,277 USD. Aside from that, it is 1.28% less than USDT and USDC, which are both selling at the same value as the dollar. A lot of love goes out to the 60-cent level, I'll tell you. I believe that 60 cents is now the new value of XRP. People, you already know what will happen. We go farther into space as the base gets longer. That's right, and XRP is just that. As the end of the year comes, XRP is likely to make a lot of progress. Its world market cap is $2 trillion or $445 billion. Which way should we go next? I can promise you one thing though. The $74,000 mark has been broken, which means that Bitcoin prices are about to go up. We need to leave, and we might do so in the next week. I believe that August will be a very strong month for September. When something goes soaring and gets close to $20,000, there is usually a small pullback. That's what we're going to see now. Should I not tweet this? XRP, it costs 60 cents. I still don't get why I've been watching Boron since 2017. For more than 3.5 years, I saw XRP stay around 33 cents. As the next bull cycle got closer, it broke above 33 cents. I don't think I'll have to talk about XRP at 30 cents every time I want to. I will no longer have to talk about XRP that costs 30 cents. The price then went up to about $192, which meant the case was thrown out. After that, everyone in the family sold XRP. What did you understand what I said? I said XRP, which is terrible, and I'm always honest. I never thought I'd be a part of the coin market in 2017, just like you. It's likely that I would have invested in the chain link above right now, even if I had only put money in half of the chain in 2017. But in 2024, I'd be telling you that the thing I had put all my money on at 20 cents was only 3 times as much now. It was more like I've fully committed. XRP, you probably already know how this story ends. Let me do this now, please. We'll look at Keith's movie and compare it to this one as he breaks it down. Next, we'll talk about what happened with Trump yesterday and show you some Ripple behind-the-scenes video that you likely haven't seen before. At the start of September, things will slow down before the summer of cryptocurrency. I hope you're ready for that. What does that mean? So we could mix economics with what we saw on Facebook if I came. As you take each step, you'll start to see what the future holds. It's the same chart. It seems like everything has gone away, so I'll bring it up here. Let these lies have a little more room to breathe. To run, let's say I made a small mistake with the schedule and it needs more time. Yes, that was sent to the Federal Open Market Committee. They will meet next Wednesday, July 31st on September 7th. I think the market as a whole has stopped moving while people wait to see what the government does about rates, something that almost everyone in the market knows about. That means the markets are still going in the same way and the government could either cut rates or not cut rates. They have one more choice since they aren't going to drop rates right now. The best time to buy is before the election on September 17th, so we'll probably start to sell before the rate cuts happen, which means they will happen sometime in early September. So we have until then to take this success to the next level. The break is already here. You said before that we should move by the start of September. We are in the building part right now. Hey everyone, people are already yelling because of Trump. The bags were not sent to the moon. What do you think happens when people scream and kick? The markets exactly mirror how people feel. As Trump was giving his speech at the Bitcoin conference yesterday, the market was very optimistic. The market is very gloomy today though because the price hasn't gone up. In fact, as you can see, the price of Bitcoin has gone down by 1.7%. And the mood of the market changes and we move forward. You'll see the breakout if you keep listening. We want to see how far it can go from these chart breaks. This makes me think we could go from 776, which is a pretty low amount. I think everyone can agree that $85,000 is not a very big amount of money. This is less humble and more like, holy cows, we're killing it. If we hit 2 fibs here, we might even get into the 100s. Yes, it doesn't seem very important right now, but I plan to get this done by the end of August, not on August 31st. Is your plan open? July ends on Wednesday. Is it true that August begins on Thursday and lasts for 31 days? Since summer's almost over. Summer's almost over. Summer's over. Bitcoin is going to go through the roof, so these are its goals from 77 to a possible summer high of 90.6 thousand, which is what I've been talking about. People, let's hold on to these numbers for a while longer. When we hit 74,000, we should do something. Put it inside the bag. Good night. There is still a lot of strength in the Bitcoin bull run. This is not the end of the Bitcoin bull market. Quick. The bull is just starting to show itself. Running because there will be a short time of slowing down and a time of fixing things after this change. From September to November, people will yell it's over 3 times. But it's not over yet, so be careful. Just a small change, nothing, there is no such thing as a black swan, but Bitcoin just hit 20,000, so there will be a small drop. After that, the markets will get hot again in November or December. That's when your bets will start to move, Bitcoin will start to soar to the top, and it will start to lose its power. As tax time gets closer, people start putting a lot of money into cryptocurrencies. In March and April, there is a small sell-off because people need to get rid of their investments. As is usually the case every year, Bitcoin will be taxed in 2025. Get ready because the fireworks are about to begin. The best things you've ever said, a full parabolic rise happens in every coin. By Q3, everyone was sitting down at the table. Q4, as we all sit down to Thanksgiving dinner, we ask each other if anyone has looked at the coin markets lately. It's only been 2 weeks and everyone is getting ready for an early and very nice retirement. You are seeing this circle come to a close. Get ready for the start of the summer of crypto. The summer of crypto will happen in 2025 since crypto summer has already begun.